Move like I'm Batman. Yeah.
Hey yo, welcome to today's breakdown of the trades I took on the 14th of Feb 2025. So starting on the daily, I was expecting us to go to all-time highs because we were very close. I think we're still printing this candle because the previous day, 13th of Feb, closed above all these highs. I was expecting like an expansion move on Friday. Dropping down to the 4-hour, we had a fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap. And the 6 a.m. candle was respecting. As you can see, went down, traded back up, and changed from bearish to bullish. So I was expecting 10 a.m. to just continue the move towards those all-time highs. Dropping down to New York. So New York started around 9:30. Initially I wanted to get a trade from this fair value gap, but then as you can see, price was choppy, so we didn't get anything. And here we're inverted this fair value gap. And we later came on the PM session, bouncing from this. That gave us a change in the state alongside the fair value gap. So already, price was extremely bullish. So there was no way we could think it. There was no way we could just come close to the all-time highs and then just drop. That's like not very logical. I mean, it can happen, but it's not logical from the market. So putting this change in the state, my bias was like, okay, we're going higher now, but when and how can you get higher? So initially dropped into this fair value gap, got a tab, IOEFD, no entry, went back up, came back down here, created another fair value gap, came down here, and we tapped this order block. My first entry was on this order block because I was also aligning external. These are external drawn liquidity, the all-time highs. External drawn liquidity aligned our internal drawn liquidity. So my first trade was here on the tip of this order block for a quick 1 to 2, because I was like very confident in this trade working out. So I was like, I can even if I don't get confirmation, let me just tap into the trade, get some profits. 2.6, so this was 2.6, 2.5 actually. And the second one here, as we tapped into this fair value gap, we got a CRT candle. As you can see here, we swept this low, we started trading back up. After sweeping this low, I was looking for an entry. As you can see, we displaced out of the range, displaced back into the range with the fair value gap. This was my entry here. I'm also going to show executions. This was my entry. It was a bit chop because of PM session, but then ended up working out. Stop on this low, going back to this high. As you can see, internal draw aligns with the external draw, because we're trying to go for those all-time highs. At the same time, price is tapping our fair value gap and order block. We're trying to go back to that high, internal to external. So it's our own, it's the own thing. It's our own oh, back again. I don't know what's happening with this laptop. I'm trying to screen record every time, it's just bugging out. Anyway, as I was saying, tapping into this order block with this fair value gap, so it's high probability. Looking for a CRT. Got our CRT 1 minute. Drop down. Displays back into a range with a fair value gap. Fair value gaps just mean like there's displacement, because without fair value gaps and there's no displacement, the price is just like lethargic. We get this here tip. First entry was here 12 pips stop loss. Take profit was on this high because I was also aligning with external draw. This was the confirmation entry. Usually I will take this entry, but I was too confident, so I also took it on the 15 on the tip of this order block. But it's so huge, man. Tight stop on that order block. Yeah, this was my entry. So it's a 2.6 with the 2.6, you know, 1 to 3. It's basically like 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 6 risk to reward ratio. Fairly a good trade, not gonna lie. It was like a perfect trade, to be honest, so far this week. And the thing is, you have to wait for CPI, you have to wait for those red folder news to pass by before you can start trading. Because if you trade just before the date, just before we get those news, price won't be like efficient. Markets will be like choppy because it's gathering orders, just consolidating until it gets fit and then it starts moving in its direction. So it's best if you just stay out the markets. That's like what I did, yeah. That's all for today's trade breakdown. Hopefully, but we kind of hit bottom high. Okay, we're weaking. Okay, let's see. We're weaking. Do you have an SMT? No, we're not weaking. Looks like a weak point. Do you have an SMT? So there's no SMT. Price might be choppy. Might just wait for price. To just next week go down, just drop, because then we can have a range. Then we can trade in this range here. Then we can trade in this range. And we're gonna get high probability trades. But until then, ciao.